What does the year 2024 have in store for us? As we stand on the precipice of a new year, the world looks forward with anticipation. Will we see a ceasefire in Gaza? Can we expect a resolution in Ukraine? Or perhaps the launch of a manned mission to the moon? With half the world's population headed to the poles, the stakes are high and the outcomes uncertain. Many turn to the predictions of the 16th century French astrologer Michel de Nostradame, widely known as Nostradamus, whose prophecies have been linked to major historical events, from the assassination of JFK to the 9/11 terror attacks, and even the coronavirus pandemic. According to Wyon, more than 70% of his prophecies have so far come true. So, will we see a climate catastrophe, a naval confrontation with China, royal tumult, or perhaps the election of a new young pope in 2024? While our predictions at the week may not hold the same mystique as those of Nostradamus, they offer a glimpse into the possible scenarios of the coming year. In 2024, an estimated 4.2 billion people, more than half the world's population, will be eligible to vote in more than 70 countries. A mega election year indeed. The US presidential election in November could be particularly consequential, as voters may be asked to give their verdict on Donald Trump, who, according to The Economist, has a 1 in 3 chance of regaining the presidency. However, the fate of the election may hinge on the outcome of several trials involving the former president, set to conclude in the coming year. The global implications are vast, affecting everything from climate policy to military support for Ukraine. Meanwhile, in Russia, election rigging may mean that Vladimir Putin's future depends more on American voters than Russian ones. In India, the world's largest democracy, despite growing dissatisfaction with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government, his ruling Bharatiya Janata Party is predicted to comfortably win a third term in the elections next year. In Iran, the world will be watching as it goes to the polls in March to elect a new parliament. The future is a mix of known challenges and unknown surprises. As we usher in 2024, we do so with hope, curiosity, and a keen eye on the unfolding events that will shape the world.